Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can customize the layout and appearance of an Airtable base. So as you know that we have created this base over here, and we can change the layout actually. As you if we want this window to be bigger, then we can easily drag and like this one, and if we want this to be little, we can actually this one, like if we want a bigger area of our workspace, then we can easily drag it to right or left, and we can adjust it. And also we can change the name of our base, the appearance, like color and icon of our base. Let's suppose we want to use this icon, so we will go for this one, and the icon for our base has been changed. And we can also customize this, but it's not mostly, but a little bit things we can customize for this. Okay, so let's suppose that if we want to change the color of these color to do's, so we can go this one here. So now as you can see that its color is changed, and then we can actually go again here, color, and if we go for done, if we want done to be like this, then the color is changed. So that's the basic thing, that how you can actually customize the layout and appearance of an Airtable base. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.